Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an amazing topic to discuss, the incredible health benefits of purple cabbage. You won't believe how this humble vegetable can do wonders for your health, from weight loss to balancing hormones. So, let's dive right in. The purple cabbage introduction. First things first, let's get to know our star of the show, purple cabbage. It's not only visually appealing but also packed with essential nutrients. The beautiful purple hue is thanks to its antioxidants, which have some remarkable benefits for your health. Nutritional powerhouse. Purple cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and a host of minerals. These nutrients work together to provide a variety of health benefits. Weight loss. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds? Purple cabbage is your friend. The high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing overeating. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Balancing hormones. Balancing hormones is crucial for overall well-being. Purple cabbage contains compounds that can help regulate hormones, particularly estrogen levels. This can be beneficial for women dealing with hormonal imbalances. Antioxidant power. Purple cabbage is loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which can protect your cells from damage. This means it can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers. Delicious recipes. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate purple cabbage into your diet. We have some delicious recipes coming up, so stay tuned. Purple cabbage recipes. Here are a few tasty recipes to get you started. Purple cabbage salad with a zesty lemon dressing. Purple cabbage stir fry with tofu. Purple cabbage slaw with apples and walnuts. In conclusion, purple cabbage is a true superfood. Its weight loss benefits, hormone balancing properties, and antioxidant power make it a must-add to your diet. Plus, it's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. So, go ahead, give purple cabbage a try and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.